there, amazing artists! Today, we're going to have a blast drawing something super fun and super easy, popcorn. To get started, draw a simple curved line. Now, make a cup shape around that curved line. This is where our popcorn will pop. Next, draw 6 vertical lines on the cup. These will be the ridges that give our popcorn cup some texture. On top of our cup, draw irregular circular shapes. These are our fluffy popcorn kernels. Let's add some color magic. Use red to color alternate sections on the cup. It's like a fun pattern. For the popcorn, just outline the shapes with yellow or orange. Keep it simple and let those kernels shine. And just like that, you've created a super cool popcorn drawing. It's simple, it's fun, and it looks fantastic. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey. Remember, drawing is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome drawing tutorials. Until next time, keep smiling and keep drawing. Bye for now.